DJ.
XAXA, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to you. And guys, once again, I forgot to record the intro at the workshop. Super hectic, my bad. This is the intro now, recorded at home. And as you saw by the thumbnail, Nissan Sentra hood exit. Yeah, guys, please comment down below on like your guys' opinions when it comes to like hood exit street cars. Like, do you think hood exits should be on just strictly like a drag car, or would you have like a hood exit on your street car? Like, yeah, comment down below. But yeah, please like, share, and subscribe, and enjoy the video. And yeah, guys, here you have it, Nissan Sentra 160i, if I remember correctly, 160i Turbo Nissan Sentra. Yo, recently converted or recently built. Like, check out how clean that turbo is. Like 0 Ks on the current setup. Check the intercooler, but this car's asleep in my opinion. Like, it's a total beater. Like, you wouldn't expect it to be fast because yeah, it's quite rough around the edges, but it's meant to do one thing, and that's go in a straight line. But boosted 160i Nissan Sentra. And comment down below like what's your guys' opinion on like hood exits, because I actually like hood exits, but I like them on like dedicated drag cars. Like, even though I'd like one like on a street car, but I feel like that's me just looking for attention, and unnecessary attention also, in terms of metro police and the car being a bit noisy, and once the car starts, like, I don't know, just a bunch of things. But yeah, I really like hood exits, but hey, for a dedicated drag car, I wouldn't do a hood exit on a street car. Well, they convinced me at the workshop. But yeah, guys, I actually like this car. Pretty cool and unique. Hood exit Nissan Sentra. Enjoy.